Hey, I'm starting my video series where I find companies that are doing things really, really well. And when paired with a good digital marketing strategy, visibility and lead flow can only increase from there. And so what happens is whenever you pair a well-rounded approach to having a positive impact that showcases your core values, then leads to a great customer experience, you can then leverage that into increasing more visibility on the search engine, right? And so I'm going to be starting with the exterior company, TEC for short. These guys have done a great job. They're both creative and caring in the way that they approach this. For short, they call it the TEC impact. And essentially, that's just their community impact that they're having. And you can see they have this lovely page built out just to showcase all the amazing things that they're doing, and the amazing donations and charitable opportunities that they've been able to have while working in this community. And what this has then led to is their opportunity to then showcase that on social media in a fun and engaging way. Then they got YouTube videos as well in a fun and engaging way. And all they're simply saying is, hey, we're setting out to have a phenomenal customer experience. And then the community is going to feel the impact of that. And they have a bunch of really great initiatives. And then you always love to see whenever it pans out and you look and they have a little over 2,100 Google reviews. As you know, reviews are a heavy ranking factor when it comes to Google. So having these strong community impacts that show your brand and the human element behind your brand, that you're living in a localized community that you also care about and want to see and have an impact in, how you can generate and allow that to grow your brand further, right? Those are the where we get into some areas of marketing becomes really fun and exciting for your team, and engages the audience in a way that's fruitful, right? And so I always love when I see companies out there that are really knocking it out the park when it comes to community impact, because in the home servicing industry, it is incredibly localized. So we have to first and foremost make sure that we are being very local in our approach. And how do you do that? A lot of times it's boots on the ground efforts to just say, hey, we care and we want to provide care and nurture to our community as well. Anyways, hats off, exterior company. You guys are doing a phenomenal job when it comes to community impact, and we're seeing that play out in your Google reviews as well. Anyways, hey, if these next few videos are going to be coming along the way in the weeks to come, if anybody's interested in having me take a look at their company, always happy to do that. But keep an eye out and enjoy these videos. I hope they're helpful.